Quickly look UGC Net Economic PYQ. Question first. The chain weighted index is answer a method of calculating change in price that used an average of base year from neighboring year. Next question is which of the following measure of central tendency will be the most appropriate to use if the data related to rates, proportions and ratio? So answer is geometric mean. The sample distribution of mean based on a sample of 13 units selected without replacement show a variance of 5 units. If the population consists of 49 units, estimate the variance of the population. So answer is 86.67. Which of the following statements are correct for correlation analysis? Answer is degree of linear association is measured between two variables. And second is predictability is not part of correlation analysis. Next question is what type of relationship exists between two variables if all points on the scatter diagram appear to fall on a straight line going upward from left to right? So the answer is perfect positive correlation. Which of the following price index number satisfy the factor reversal test? So Fisher price index number is the answer. Given the sample size is 400, sample mean is 99 and the population mean is 100 and computed value of Z-statics is 2.5, the value of population standard deviation will be 8. Next question is the correct relationship among arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean is geometric mean equals to harmonic mean into geometric mean square equals to harmonic mean and arithmetic mean. For a moderately skewed distribution, the value of mode is 10 and the value of median is 20, then the mean is, so the answer is 30. If in distribution mean is 40, mode is 60 and the standard deviation is 10, then the coefficient of skewness will be, so the answer is -2. In a two variable regression, the correlation coefficient between dependent and independent variable y and x is 0.7. What is the percentage of variation in y explained by x? So the